Hello there, friends. So glad you are here. Welcome back to my channel. This is Danny from Danny's Dreams, and today I am stopping by to kick off my Mail Day Thursdays. I was inspired by a couple fellow crafters who I will link in the description box below. Nicole Spore, I might be saying her name wrong, and also Crafty Al. Nicole in 2021 did a Mail It Monday where she would take cards from her stash and mail it to other crafters if they signed up. And then Call Me Crafty Al, one of my favorite features on her channel is at the end of the month, she shares what people have sent her, whether it be SheetLoads or just other creations. And so I've been kind of mulling this idea around for months, and I finally thought that 2022 seemed like the great time to kick off Mail Day Thursday. What this is every Thursday I'm going to have a video, and in the description box below I will have a Google form that you can go fill out with your contact information, and then each week on Thursday I'm going to pick maybe between 3 and 5 people to send cards to. And I'm encouraging you to do the same, not that you need to make a video or whatever, but to just take time, sit down, write a card out and mail it. Just one. Because I feel after these last couple years, we need to spread some cheer. And although Elf says spreading cheers by singing loudly for all to hear, I think that it might be to send out some cards. So this week I have 5 cards that I'm going to be sending out. These are cards from my stash. They're probably several years old. So that is what it is. This one says, "Fairy friends are the best friends." You can see that inside, got some sparkle on it. So that's one. Have this little gnome girl. It says hello. Oh, dropped it, sorry. I have this one, this cute bunny that says "miss you" on the inside. Then I have this one, doesn't have a sentiment, kind of love that cat. And then this last one here has some sparkle on her, some little rhinestones. It says, "I think you're sweeter than apple pie." So these are the 5 cards that I will be mailing out. There's no particular rhyme or reason as to who will get what. If you put your name in the Google form, I'll probably just randomly pick one and mail it out. But that's my goal. Each week, stop by on Thursday, show you some cards that I'm going to send out, have you fill out the form if you're interested, and encourage you to mail at least 1 card on Thursdays. So Mail Day Thursday. If you are interested in sending me some happy mail, because I like happy mail too, you can email me for my address, and my email is down in the description box below, and it'll also be on the Google form. So I'm looking forward to this new feature. Hope you are too. And get out there, mail those cards, and I hope that I get to send these off to some of you as well. Thanks for stopping by. Click the button to subscribe, bell for notifications, and until my next video, have a great day and go and mail that card.